just going to quickly show you, because lots of folks aren't aware this exists. This is the FBA calculator here in Australia. That's the FBA calculator. I'm going to give you a link to all of it. If you are in send to all, if you're in the AOE, of course, then you will get that, and it's already in our members area, Facebook group. That's already in there, okay? So that's the one for the .com, .au. So to get the .com one, just simply take off the .au and hit return, and then you'll come to the American version of that exact same thing, all right? So how do you now work out some profitability? Well, the easiest thing to do when you're contemplating a product that you're going to sell is find somebody else who's selling a similar product to yours and use that and run that through based on your own figures. So let's go and look for, what am I looking for? Bottled water 24 pack. There we go. So let's go and find a 24 pack of water. That'll do. Right there, Poland Springs. All right, so now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the URL like that, come over to here, ping it in, click on search. Oops, I must have missed something off. All right, thank you very much. I am on the right website, I am. Oh, there it is. So just needed the ASIN for that particular product. So now I've got the product in there, and the reason I do that is because I want to see the weight, all right? That's what I'm interested in seeing, because I want to see what overage or charges or anything like that I'm going to get charged for weight, plus to see if the dimensions fall within Amazon's norms for normal product dimensions, all right? So, item price, this is what you are going to charge people. Let's suppose, what are they charging? They're charging $22.79. So let's charge $22.79 for this. Whatever it is for you, you will plug in your price. The shipping cost, so whatever it costs you to get the product from your factory into Amazon per unit, and a unit in this case is 24 bottles. So let's just say that's, I don't know, $1.50 to get it into from our place, wherever it may be, into the Amazon FBA warehouses. And the cost of my product, well, let's just say for 24 bottles, let's say I'm buying each individual bottle for, I don't know, 50 cents. So I've got a $12 unit cost for my particular product, all right? So what this says is that based on this, I'm going to be losing money to sell at that rate. So I'll be losing, every time I make a sale, I would lose $12.85. All right. So now I've got to think to myself, holy crap. Well, now let's see. I've got to go and renegotiate and get my costs down to $8. So now I'm losing a little bit less money, and I've got to charge more money for my product. I've got to charge $32 instead. And now I'm losing 35 cents. Holy shit, what am I going to do? Maybe I can keep my shipping costs down to get it to there. I can negotiate that. Success, I'm now making 15 cents per sale. So that's a simple way of using that as a guide to list products on Amazon. And if you do that with all your products, it will save you a whole heap of heartache later on when you suddenly discover that you're selling something that costs you money to make a sale. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.